The Sixers taking on the Pelicans. Anthony Davis back in the lineup. Still no Joel Embiid, but that's okay because Tobias Harris, he put up 29 points, 10 rebounds, 2 blocks as he gets the slam there. Ben Simmons with the steal. He's going to go behind the back for the layup. Oh, getting fancy on the road. Another turnover. JJ Redick, he's a savage. He's going for 3, misses, but Boban gets the rebound and slams it. Sixers have the lead. It's a double-digit lead. Ben Simmons gets Anthony Davis in the air with the fake. Second half, the lob to Davis. You know they're not going to let Davis play that many minutes, so he's got to do whatever he's got to do early and often and quickly. Still in the third quarter, nice ball movement. Tobias starts knocking down threes. And then Jimmy Butler catches the defense sleeping. It's a backdoor lob for the layup. In the fourth quarter, the ball is saved, but JJ Redick steals it, and he's going to pop the 3, splash. Sixers in control, but with under 2 minutes to play, Pelicans come right back. Drew Holiday knocks down the 3, and then the next possession, he dishes it inside to Julius Randle. It's a 1-point game, so they're going to inbound it quickly to Jonathan Simmons. He gets fouled. He actually misses both free throws. Pelicans got to go the length of the court. They have no timeout. 6 seconds left. Here goes the 3 for the game. It's off. Doesn't even hit the rim. Rebounded Sixers. They hold on to win without Embiid. Oh, I just wasted an ankle breaker. You can't do that in All-Star Weekend. Ooh, I got another one. No! That's a murder. Wow, I lifted off from way back there. I don't think I've ever taken off from there to slam it. That is crazy.